Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal talking about IP protection, and in this video series we're talking about the dangers of online precedents or borrowing somebody else's terms and conditions or documents online. The danger with these online precedents, and the online precedent providers do, their rationale is that some protection is better than none. I understand that, but unfortunately that's not the way that business owners see these legal documents. They see these legal documents as protecting them, and to be frank, most, if not the majority, high majority of what we see online as these precedent providers for intellectual property provisions don't cover you for what you're doing. In the employment contracts, we find most of the employment contracts don't have the right provisions or adequate enough to protect a business for their intellectual property. At the very least, getting some advice about some of the terms you can put into contracts about intellectual property. All the web development agreements that we see, as well as third-party provider services like graphic design contracts, etc., don't cover a business properly for what they're doing in relation to intellectual property, and make sure that it's right for the business. And other terms and conditions generally, or waivers, disclaimers, etc., don't really cover online what you're doing for the intellectual property part of your business. And unfortunately, most of these precedent providers don't have questions that ask around intellectual property to make these provisions more detailed and structured, as well as tailored for the business. I think we're getting there with smarter contracts now, and things are moving in that direction, but there's still a long way off with some of these precedent providers. So just wanted to give you a word of warning about that. Okay, hope that helps. Feel free to go to the website progressivelegal.com.au or PM me. Thanks.